Number 1. Enhance communication. Facilitates real-time communication through chat, video calls, and shared documents. Reduces misunderstandings by providing a centralized platform for discussions. Number 2. Improve productivity. Allows simultaneous editing of documents, reducing time delays. Streamlines task allocation and progress tracking.
Number 3. Centralized information sharing. Stores of all project-related information, making it easy accessible to all team members. Reduce dependency on emails or scattered communication channels. Number 4. Time and cost efficiency. Save the time of eliminating the need of constant information meetings. Reduce travel costs as remote collaboration becomes seeable.
Number 5. Increased flexibility. Enables remote work and accommodates team members in different locations or time zones. Allows team members to contribute at their convenience. Better project management. Helps organize tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities clearly. Provides tools for monitoring progress and identifying bottlenecks.
Number 7. Encourages team engagement. Fosters a sense of shared purpose through transparent communication. Make it easier to brainstorm and share ideas collectively. Number 8. Seamless integration. Many collaborative tools integrate with other software like calendars, emails, or cloud storage, enhancing workflow efficiency.
And those are the advantages of using collaborative tools.